Okay, quick video of Corsa D rear shock absorber replacement. This is 2014. Obviously you've got to jack it up, to stand under it, remove the rear wheel, gives you plenty more access. Well, this wheel was seized onto the hub, so I ended up using a soft face hammer to knock from the inside, push the wheel off. You can see it's been replaced because of an oil leak, as you can see on the shock absorber there. There are some 10mm plastic nuts that hold the wheel arch liner, and take them out to get some more access. And then you can get to the Torx bolts. Remove them, and again, the bottom bolt is just one bolt. And then the whole shock absorber just releases out of the car and drops out. Once you've got it on the bench, you need to swap the top mount, the bump stop, and the shock absorber core nut inside the top mount. Release that. They're the bits you need to swap over to the new shock absorber. Fit them, tighten the nut up, and then it's ready to go back in. Refitting the top mount. And the lower bolt. Then refit the wheel arch liner screw or nuts, and obviously the wheel. Once the wheel's on tight, take the jack stand out, drop the trolley jack so that the weight of the vehicle is on the wheels. And it's good practice to then go and release the lower bolt and let the bush settle in its final position before tightening it back up so that that bush isn't twisted. And that's it. Rear shock absorber on a Corsa D. This is 2012 model. This was done for an MOT fail for oil leak. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great.